Hi guys, and welcome back to class. So in this lesson I'll just be taking you through how to customize export settings and save them for later. So in case you may love or have a little bit of changes in your export settings and you want to use them later. So it's quite simple and straightforward. What you just need to do is go to the export tab, and when you get here you need to come down right to presets. So this is where you actually pick whatever settings you are trying to work with or change a little bit of things. So if you want to change a little bit of things, probably the dimension or what it may look like, you can actually select different settings. Let's use quad for this, and let's see how it goes. Well, it didn't change because our source file was not created in quad. So one of the things you can do as well is actually change the aspect ratio or do whatever you want, and yeah, that's it. But if you would like to actually save these settings or you want to keep these video settings in check, one of the things you can actually do is come right here and click on save presets. So with the name you write, let's say you are saving this for YouTube or your personal YouTube, you write personal YouTube and click OK. So these are saved as a preset. So when you want to locate this next time, you come down right to preset, you look for personal YouTube and you click on it, and yes, it's the same settings you are going to be having, and you can click on export. So when you click on export, this begins to export, and boom, when it's done you have your video in your video files, and that would be all for that. So bye for now, see you in the next lesson.